Hello, dear fifth graders. How are you guys? I hope everything is fine with you. And as you see, I'm not here in the school today. I'm on training, and that's why you have a sub teacher over there. But the class goes as the same way. Okay? Here, let's start it our lesson. Great. The first thing to do, you go open your Google Classroom. Suppose you're been there right now, and you see our class as usual. You're watching this video here, you start with the video, it will be the first thing you see here in your stream. And the second thing you will see, it is our pattern as usual, our mental math. Great, you open this link over here. You are just remember, I think we did this we did it in 7th grade before. It is just combining like terms. Okay, let's just match. Let's go over here. You will start the game. I will start over here the game, everything. Great. Here's the game. You choose the level. You know your level. Okay. I'll just pick here the regular one, just for example here. I need just match. What is the target? 6x, which is the same as 6x here. I have this x for 2. Great. And you have your score. Let's go ahead. Next one. 5. A constant number without the variables. Great, and we finish. And you keep doing the same thing. Oh, just close it here. 3x to the second power, here, and here. Great, x to the second power. Okay, not a, x to the second power. And you keep doing, okay guys? Work on this. The idea here is combine like terms. Remember, when we combine like terms, we are adding, okay? Great. After you finish this, you go back Google Classroom and before do it, pause the video, work on this for 10 minutes as usual, okay? You see the time over there, 10 minutes. Great. Okay, I hope you finish already to work on that. You will go over the sub teacher probably distribute with you this thing here, this material. Great. As you see here, first thing to do, okay, before start the lesson, name, and date. Today is November 15. Great. And let's go to our lesson, guys. Step number 1, okay, let's solve multi-step equations. Great, multi-step equations. But how can we solve this one, mister? Well, we learned one step, we know already. We learned 2 steps, okay? Right now, I'm teaching you more than 2 steps. It is the 3rd step, 4th step, and so on. Great. But what are you supposed to do here then? Step number 1, guys, as you see by steps again. Step number 1, we will distribute. Work with the parentheses. Do we have a parenthesis? We start with that guy. Okay? Remember, the opposite to multiply, divide. The opposite to divide is multiply. Remember, we did this. You watched the video with me in the classroom, Mathematics. Remember, we worked this in Mathematics video. Number 2, combine like terms if needed. Okay. Step 3, solve the equation by one step, as you know. Check your solution. Okay. Let me show here some examples. Number 1, as you see here, 2x minus 8x plus 1. Let me zoom it a little bit. Perfect, better. Okay, this one, how can we solve? Step number 1, combine like terms, which is 2x minus 8x. How many x is left over? It is the same thing, 2 minus 8, which is negative 6x. Now we have two-step equation, which we know how to solve. Next step, what is the opposite to add 1? Subtract 1, which is 48. And what is left over? Only negative 6x. Which number times negative 6 is 48? Oh, I don't know. Divided by negative 6. The opposite to multiply, divided by negative 6. Divided by negative 6, which is x equals negative 8. Great. I hope you understand. You can stop the video here before go ahead. Great. To make the notes. But I hope you understand this point here. Let's solve this guy here, number 2. Great. Step number 1, combine like terms. We have like terms here. Oh, we do. Negative 5 and negative 11. Let's combine them. Negative 5 plus negative 11. Okay, I borrow to you 5 and I borrow to you 11. How many you need to give me back? Negative 16. Okay? Then after that, where is the variable? The variable is on right. We did the combined terms on right, everything. Now, what is the opposite to subtract 16? Add 16, add 16. Both sides just cancel out. You have here only negative 3. Which number times negative 3 is negative 3? The number is 1. A equals 1. Great. I'll go move here to the other one on number 3, number 4, number 5. Number 5, as you see here, guys, we have the parentheses. Okay? Here, what I'm supposed to do, step number 1. What is the opposite to multiply 7? It is divide 7. Divide 7. Great. You divide 7 here. Divide 7 here. Great. Which will be negative 2. X minus 6 equals negative 2. Well, let me just, I don't need this one here. As you see, I will start right over here. Let me see if you, okay, nice, you can see. Great. Just ignore this one, okay? This one here, don't use that, okay? I'll show to you here. As I told you guys, divided by 7, this guy here, divided by 7, this guy here. Let me just put here the divided by 7, and here the other one also divided by 7. Divide by 7. Great. 7 divided by 7 is just 1. What is left over? Here I left over x minus 6 equals negative 14 divided by 7, which is negative 2. Great. What is the opposite to subtract 6? It is add 6 here. Add 6 here. X equals negative 2 plus 6, 4. As you notice, it's the same answer as you got at the distributive property, okay? If you are distributing. It's the same thing. Great. Let's go over here. Next one. Here, this guy here. What is the opposite to divide negative half? It is multiply negative half. Okay? It is times negative, or divide negative 2 is multiply negative 2. Great. Then multiply negative 2 here, as you see. Great. 33 divided by negative 2 would be 66. Then you write here 12b minus 42 equals positive 66. What is the opposite to subtract 42? Add 42, add 42, which is 12b equals 66 and 42. 2 plus 6 is 8, 108. Great. Which number times 12 is 108? I don't know, it's just divided by 12. If you divide the number by 12, p would be equals to 9. 9 times 2, 18. Carry 1. 9 times 1, 9 plus 1, 10. 108. It's the same thing to do. The same idea for solving. Great, guys. I hope you understand those ones here. We have more. Okay, you can go over here. We have more examples to how to do it. Great. I will left over some videos over here to help you. But what we're supposed to do now? Work on the other ones I left over. Great. I solved here number 1, number 2, number 5, number 8. Okay. Right now, work a little bit in 3, 4, 6, 7. The advanced students who already finished, you can go over here. Number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And the homework, it is over here. Okay, I will not show the homework because I have the answer key here. Great, but the homework, as you know, the same page I have here. Here's the homework. Here's the blank one. Okay, page 18. Here's the homework. Page 19 over here. Great. As you know the pattern, I have for each page. I have for page this one, 1, 3, and 5. 7, 9, and 11 is done. 3 per page. Great, guys. I hope you understand this point here. Please work on that. And I'll be back next class and we'll work more. As you see, you can see in the board, I changed the quiz date. When is the quiz, mister? The quiz, as you see, it is next week. Great. Monday and Tuesday. Monday for block A and B. Tuesday for block C. Great, guys. Be sure, if you need anything else, please let me know. Message me. Find me. My extra time. Anything you need, you know how to reach me. Okay? Love you. See you next class, guys. Enjoy this lesson right now and work hard. Great. Stay on task. And don't change the chairs, okay? Stay in the same groups. Nice. Bye bye, guys.